Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jimmy back here with another video. So yeah, today I will be solving the LeetCode problem. Okay, yeah. So here in this problem, this is the two sum problem as you can see here. So we have to find out the indices in the array such as the sum of the numbers at those indices equal to the target. Okay, so that's our target is all about. And importantly, you have to remember that each input has exactly one solution. Okay, and you cannot use the same elements twice. Yeah, and you cannot add a number to itself to reach the target. Okay, you have to remember these things. And as an example here, as you can see, a nums equal to an array is given like 2, 7, 11 and 15. 4 numbers of array is here and our target is 9. Okay, so how do we get 9 here? Okay, like here is 2, 7, 11 and 15. If we sum, like if we add 2 plus 7 here, so we will get the 9 easily. So in indices number 0, it is 2 and indices number 1, it is 7. So 2 plus 7 equal to 9. So now we will implement our code here. Okay, so I'm using C++. Okay, and I will do the brute force method. Class solution public vector I to sum vector int and nums int target int n equal to nums dot size for int I equal to 0 I less than n minus 1 comma I plus plus. Now for int j equal to I plus 1 and j less than n and here j plus plus. If nums I plus nums j equals to target, then return I comma j. And now here simply return. Let's run this code and let's see. Yeah, as you can see here, our code has successfully running. It's accepted. So yeah.